Gotta move this out of the way.
Staying busy is the name of the game for the maintenance department at Liberty Elementary School District.
Yeah, we're just everywhere doing fixes, minor fixes, door repairs, desk repairs.
And Ruben Levario is a big part of that team.
I do facility maintenance. So I go around to each school and fix stuff that's broken or needs to be moved or needs to be repaired of some type. I've been working for the school district for going on 4 years in August.
Born and raised in Arizona, he's used to the heat, but that doesn't make it any less grueling for some of the repairs. Even though school's out in the summer, his work is just ramping up.
Yeah, summertime is our main busy time. Like we do a lot of repairs and stuff that needs to be done just for the next school year to be ready.
I nominated Ruben because he is a good all-around guy.
Wendy Murieta has worked with Ruben for several years. She wanted to recognize him for the support staff spotlight for all the work he puts in daily.
I don't think they're given enough credit, you know, maintenance and grounds for having to work outside in the cold and in the extreme heat. But yeah, he's been on grounds and he's now in maintenance and he's making the schools look nice.
Ask Ruben and he'll tell you, it's not just the work but the people that keeps him coming back.
Interacting with the teachers, the students, the administrators, just interacting with everybody.
And he's used to building relationships.
I went to the service for 4 years and came back.
What branch?
I was in the Army.
Okay.
So I was a cavalry scout. I was stationed overseas in Germany.
What stands out to you from that experience?
The friendships that I made with people, and I'm still in contact with a lot of the people that I met in the Army.
He has friends all across the U.S., but here in Arizona, his own family has made Liberty home.
Well, Santos, he's the custodian at Blue Horizons. Yeah. That's my uncle.
Okay.
Yeah. And then my nephew Paul, he's in charge of the warehouse. He's the supervisor for the warehouse. My niece Amanda, she's a bus aide during the school year.
Family, friends, doesn't matter. Ruben is here to help.
Whatever the school needs, we go try to fix it.
Whether it's repairing flagpoles, a drinking fountain, toilets, electrical issues, AC issues, you name it, he and the maintenance team fix it. So it doesn't just fix itself?
Yeah, it doesn't just fix itself. We wish it would, but yeah. Magic wand.
Yeah. He's a friendly face around the district, so next time you see him,
say hi, you know, we're not, you know, we got feelings too, you know.
Ta-da.
All done.
Nice. Ruben Levario, the focus of this Liberty Staff Spotlight.